Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever scrolled through your social media and wondered how people are making money online while lounging in their pajamas, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the best apps and websites to make money online. No investment needed. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive right in. First up on our list is a classic, Swagbucks. This platform is perfect for those who enjoy a little bit of everything. You can earn points called SB by completing surveys, watching videos, or even shopping online. Once you rack up enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards to popular stores or get cash through PayPal. It's free to join, and you can start earning just for doing activities you probably do anyway. Talk about a win-win. As you can see, signing up is super easy, and their dashboard is user-friendly. Next, we have InboxDollars. Similar to Swagbucks, InboxDollars pays you to watch videos, take surveys, and even play games. Plus, just for signing up, you'll get a $5 bonus right away. Who doesn't love free money? If you're someone who enjoys playing games, you might be surprised how much you can earn by doing something you love. Now, let's talk about an app that's perfect for the creative souls out there, Fiverr. If you have a skill like graphic design, writing, or even voice acting, you can sell your services on Fiverr. Setting up a profile is free, and you can make extra cash doing what you're good at. The best part? You set your own prices and hours. How's that for flexibility? Check out how you can create a gig and the potential you have to earn from it. All right, for all my savvy shoppers out there, let's discuss Rakuten. Formerly known as Ebates, Rakuten gives you cash back for shopping online at thousands of stores. It's super simple. Just sign up, shop through their link, and boom, you earn cash back. You don't need to change your shopping habits, just get cash for doing what you already do. Here's how easy it is to activate your cash back before you shop. And for anyone who loves social media, here comes TikTok. Believe it or not, you can actually make money on TikTok through their creator fund if you produce engaging and original content. Plus, brands often look for influencers, and you can easily partner with them for promotions. So if you've got a knack for creating entertaining videos, give it a shot. Okay, now let's talk about TaskRabbit. This is for those who are ready to tackle small jobs in their local area. Think furniture assembly, cleaning, or even running errands. You can earn money by helping people in your neighborhood with their day-to-day tasks. It's a great way to make cash while getting involved in your community. Just create an account, list your skills, and start accepting tasks that suit your schedule. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how many people need a helping hand. For those who love sharing ideas, consider joining YouTube. While it may take some time to build an audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And with content continuing to grow across various niches, now's the perfect time to start that channel you've been thinking about. Even if you have a unique hobby or niche, there's an audience out there waiting for you. Lastly, I want to tell you about stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. If you have a passion for photography, you can upload your images and earn royalties every time someone downloads them. It's a passive income stream that could earn you money while you sleep. All you need is a decent camera and an artistic eye. So there you have it, my top apps and websites that can help you start making money online without any investment. Remember, consistency is key, and finding something you genuinely enjoy will make the process so much easier and more rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your own experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.